In this video, I'm going to show you how to roll over in bed when you're super pregnant and can't really use your abs anymore. I'm Matt Shu from Upright Health, where we help you move beyond your limitations so you can live with confidence. Be sure to check out the description box for helpful links to our do-it-yourself programs that'll help you train your hips again after you're done delivering that baby. And don't forget to subscribe. You may have noticed from the introduction to this video that I am not a pregnant woman, and so you might be rightfully wondering, how would this guy know anything about rolling over in bed when super pregnant? And the answer is, I happen to know a woman very well who is pregnant at the moment, and we worked out this method of rolling so that she could sleep reasonably well and turn side to side without having to expend a great deal of effort in the middle of the night. So I'm going to show you this trick and hopefully you find it helpful. Okay, so you are lying in bed, you're pregnant, it's the middle of the night, and you wake up and you want to turn over, but you no longer have the abs to do it. Before you were pregnant, you could just do everything like this and roll around, and it was fine because the abdominal muscles were at their normal state and were able to function and keep everything together when you moved like that. Now you don't really have access to those muscles so much anymore, so we need to find a better way to move without needing to use the abs. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to take the top leg, so this is my left leg, and we're going to extend it all the way down like that, so it just goes in a straight line with the rest of my body. When you do this, you're going to notice that suddenly that top hip, that left hip, is able to roll a lot more freely back. So now we've got that freedom to move. We're going to take the left hand, cradle the belly. So this is going to help us now rotate to our back. Then you're going to bring this knee up and then bring that other knee up. Now that this knee is up, the left knee is going to drop to the left. And you can see now that's pulling my right hip up off of the floor or the bed where I hope you are. And then the right foot is going to push down into the bed, which lifts this hip even more. And I'm still supporting the belly as I go over, and I'm now comfortably on my side without having had to use my abs very much. So let's reverse it. So it's going to be the right leg reach down, right hand supports the belly, pulls up so I can just lie down like this with my face up. I'm going to bring the left knee up, right knee up, then right knee goes down, left foot pushes, and now I am back on my side. Okay, so I'm going to do that one more time with you. So left leg goes straight, left hand pulls up and supports the belly. We're going face up, then we bring the right knee up, left knee up, left knee down, right foot pushes, and then you are on your side. So one thing I want to point out is the actual switch of the hands. So you would probably get this instinctively, but you can see it on this repetition here. So the right leg, I'm going to go out. I've got my right hand supporting the belly, turning face up. I'm going to bring the left knee up, right knee up. I can switch hands here. This one gets to be here, and then right knee drops. I push with the left, and I am over, and then I can go right back to sleep. Maybe, if the heartburn's not too bad. So it can be really easy, really simple to do at night when you're half awake. You don't have to get up and move around or do a push-up or anything like that. You just need to practice the choreography a little bit, get used to these dance steps. So if you've done any other sort of gymnastics, ballet, pole, whatever other dance you may have done, just think of this as a dance routine, and you're just learning these steps so that you can sleep better at night. All right, mama to be, I hope you found this video helpful and that you're able to get better sleep on both sides as a result of learning this new dance choreography. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and share it with other moms. And when you're ready to start exercising your hips again, be sure to come back to our channel and check out some of our free videos on how to exercise your butt muscles and your side butt muscles and your hamstrings and your legs and all that good stuff. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks, life shouldn't. I look like a house. It's gonna be a boy.